Good morning, kids. Today we are going to practice reading. Okay? Great. Now, before we begin, let us first practice out the different sounds. The sound of vowels. These are the sound of the vowels. Are you ready? Okay. We have the letter A, the letter E, the letter I, the letter O, and the letter U. Okay, let us know the different sounds of our vowels. Okay, everybody, please repeat after me. Great. Everybody say A, 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 E, 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 O, 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 U, 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 A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U. One more time. A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. So these are the sounds of our vowels. Now let us read, okay? Please listen carefully. So as you can see, we have here picture and the words. So everybody, please repeat after me. A, U, P. You read this one up, 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 pup, up, 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 pup, pup, pup. Okay, pup. This is a pup. And then U, D, odd, odd. M, odd, mud, mud. Okay, this is the man. Pup, pup, mud, mud. Okay, now let us read. A pup in the mud. One more time. A pup in the mud. Now we can read it a little bit faster. A pup in the mud. Again, a pup in the mud. A pup in the mud. A pup in the mud. Great. So this is a pup and this is a mud. Next. U, N, on, on. R, her, her, un, run, her, un, run. This, the boy here, run. So this is run. The boy, run. So E, N, 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 D, and then, then. Run, then. Okay, this is the then. Run, run, then, then. Now let us read. Run to then. Run to, then. Again, run to, then. One more time. Run to, then. Run to, then. A little bit faster. Run to, then. Run to, then. Great. Another one. Ugh, ugh. And then you have S. S, s, Uggs, Uggs. Uggs, mugs, mugs. These are mugs, mugs. And U-B, up, up. And then you have the S, ups, ups, k, k, ups, cups, k, k, ups, cups. These are the cups. These are the mugs. And these are the cups. Mugs, cups, mugs, cups. Now let us read. Mugs and cups. Mugs and cups. Can you follow? Okay. Mugs and cups. Mugs and cups. A little bit faster. Mugs and cups. Mugs and cups. Very good. Next, the last one, we have e, egg, egg. This is the egg, egg. And then egg, and then you have cup, egg, cup, egg, cup. This is the egg cup, egg, egg, cup, egg, egg, cup, egg, egg, cup. Okay, let us read. An egg in an egg cup. An egg in an egg cup. Can you read it a little bit faster? Okay. An egg in an egg cup. An egg in an egg cup. One more time. An egg in an egg cup. Okay, great job, kids. Okay, this one you are going to read alone. I will read first and then you follow. Okay? Ready? Go. A pup in the mud. Now it's your turn. Great. Next, run to the den. It's your turn. Very good. Next, mugs and cups. It's your turn. Very good. Next, an egg in an egg cup. Good job, kids. Great reading. See you again next time. Bye-bye.